Imagine turning $5,000 into life-changing gains. Crypto markets are heating up, ETFs are flowing billions, and November 2025 might be the best entry point we've seen in years. Today, I'll break down the 5 best cryptocurrencies to buy right now, and how to split your $5,000 for maximum impact. So, let's go. First up, the king, Bitcoin. It's trading above $106,000, fueled by massive institutional inflows through ETFs. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, the safest bet in crypto. If you're putting $5,000 to work, this is your anchor coin. Stability, credibility, and long-term upside. Next, Ethereum. It's the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts. With the Fusaka hard fork dropping December 3rd, scalability is about to level up. Institutions are already piling in. $81 million in ETF inflows last month alone. Ethereum is your growth engine in this portfolio. Third, Solana. Known for speed and efficiency, Solana just launched its own spot ETF in October. That's a huge credibility boost. Developers love it, communities thrive on it, and it's positioned as the high-growth altcoin of this cycle. Fourth, Chainlink. This project connects smart contracts to real-world data, powering DeFi, insurance, and enterprise blockchain. It's not just hype, it's utility. If you want exposure to infrastructure that makes crypto actually work, Link is a must-have. And finally, Sui. This emerging blockchain is built for scalability and user-friendly apps. It's still early, but the innovation here is undeniable. Perfect for diversification. A small bet with potentially massive upside. So how do you split $5,000? Here's a balanced approach. $2,000 in Bitcoin, $1,500 in Ethereum, $800 in Solana, $400 in Chainlink, and $300 in Sui. This mix gives you stability, growth, and a shot at breakout gains. Crypto is volatile, but fortune favors the bold. These 5 coins are positioned to dominate November 2025 and beyond. Smash that like button and drop a comment with your favorite coin. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Your $5,000 could be the start of something huge. Goodbye, and see you soon.